Welcome. If you want to keep your Instagram video call notifications private and make sure the content doesn't show up on your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you step by step through the updated process to hide Instagram video call notification content from your lock screen. This is perfect for anyone who values privacy and wants to keep their conversations discreet. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and go straight to your settings. This is where you control all the important features of your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Find and select Instagram from the list. Once you're in the Instagram settings, tap on Notifications. This section allows you to customize exactly how and when you receive alerts from Instagram. Now, look for the option labeled Instagram Direct Video Call. This is specifically for video call notifications, so you can manage them separately from other types of Instagram alerts. Tap on the Instagram Direct Video Call option. Here, you'll see several choices for how notifications appear on your device. Find and tap on Lock Screen. This setting controls what shows up when your phone is locked. Finally, choose Hide Content. By selecting this, you make sure that whenever you receive a video call on Instagram, the notification will appear on your lock screen, but none of the content, like the caller's name or any message preview, will be visible. Instead, you'll just see a generic notification, keeping your private conversations safe from prying eyes. And that's it. With these quick steps, you've taken control of your Instagram video call notifications and boosted your privacy. Now you can use Instagram with confidence, knowing your lock screen won't reveal any sensitive information. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with friends who might need a little extra privacy too. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy a more secure Instagram experience.